The coronavirus, renamed COVID-19, has become a global pandemic. So many different countries introduced drastic measures to try and curb the spread of this virus. Zimbabwe introduced a 21-day lockdown, whereby people were limited to move, and day-to-day economic activities were limited, encouraging people to stay at home, thereby reducing contact. Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa, a great benefactor, a great philanthropist, through Agape Family Care, her wonderful vision, decided to start a door-to-door food distribution in order to assist so many widows, the aged, the less privileged, the physical challenged, the vulnerable. The list goes on. Part of the consignment that was done door to door included maize meal, grocery hamper with all nutritional foods needed for a family, an average family of 6. Included in that consignment were detergent hampers, where laundry bars were given, including also toiletries. This was meant to maintain hygiene in their homes and also to focus on the many ways that are being encouraged to people in order to keep safe during this pandemic. People are being encouraged to keep washing their hands with soap under running water for 20 seconds. The use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers is also being encouraged. Social distance is amongst the many ways that has been stipulated to be followed by the masses in a way and in trying to curb the spread of the virus. All this was a way to create awareness for COVID-19 during the door-to-door distribution program. The President of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Emmerson Mnangagwa, further extended the lockdown by 14 days. The nation of Zimbabwe has a bigger informal sector. According to International Monetary Fund, IMF, Zimbabwe has got the second largest informal sector as a percentage of its economy after Bolivia, and it is the first in Africa. What this means is most people are self-employed, have less savings and investments that are able to cater for them in the future. As a result of the extended lockdown, you can imagine how the situation is on the ground right now. Hunger is a reality. People are sleeping on empty stomachs. Children are hungry, and they are bound to be malnourished. It's very difficult. Those who had little savings, obviously the savings are now depleted. What more of those who never had anything? It's difficult. The situation is deplorable. Intervention is needed.
As Agape Family Care continues to offer its support, create awareness, and spread love, we invite non-Agape Family Care beneficiaries with critical cases of vulnerability to contact our offices on the following numbers: +263 86 44 278 598 or +263 771 081 465. Agape Family Care's Livelihoods program seeks to ensure that the most vulnerable within communities and those affected by the current COVID-19 lockdown crisis have access to the fundamental needs and rights of life.